Today we are going to design Moore and Milling machine for the set of strings starting with 0 over sigma equal to 0, 1. Here the sigma is given as 0, 1. We have to find the closure. After finding the closure, what we have to do? We have to find out all the strings which are accepted by our question, that is starting with 0. So as the strings are starting with 0, that will mark as Q0 with the output as 1 for yes. And for all the rejected states, that is starting with 1, we had given a name as Q1 whose output is 0, that is no. Third thing what we have to do, we have to consider all the questions which are not having the divisibility checking, whose in which we are going to consider Q0 always as a initial state, because Q0 we have to consider as the remainder 0. So this type of question in which we are not having divisibility testing, there we have to here we have to consider initial state always as QS. QS is the state which is not having any output. Okay, so here, as first of all we are going to design milling machine. Why we are designing milling machine first? Because this is always equivalent to FSM. That's why we are designing it first. Then based on that we are going to design the Moore machine. So what is there in milling machine? We have to find the state function, input with the current state goes to the next state, and the machine function, input with the current state produces the output symbol. Okay, so here we are going to start with the initial state as QS. QS is the state which is not having any input. So the next input can be either 0. That means the QS nothing with the next bit as 0 will make the string as 0. So string starting with 0. String starting with 0 is already marked here. That means this is represented by the state Q0. Now simultaneously we can complete the other function, other table, that is a machine table. So QS on 0. What is the output of Q0? The output of Q0 is 1. Now QS on 1. QS on 1 means QS is nothing, no input string with the next bit as 1 will make it number 1. Number 1 means string starting with 1. So as the string is starting with 1, which is the rejected string according to our question, so it will go to Q1 string. So we have to complete the state table, machine table also. QS on 1 goes to Q1, and what is the output is 0. Now what is the reachable state is Q0 and Q1, so we will consider Q0. What is Q0? Q0 indicate string 0 with the next bit as 0 will be string starting with 0. So the string starting with 0 is indicated by Q0, so this will be Q0. Again here in the machine table, Q0 with the 0, what is the output of Q0? This reachable state is 1. Q0 with the next bit as 1. So Q0 indicates what output? Yes, it is a string starting with 0 with the next bit as 1 will make the string as 0, 1, which is our accepted string. Accepted string. So accepted string is indicated by Q0, so we will mark as Q0. Now what is the output of Q0? It is 1. Now next reachable state is Q1. Q1 means input starting with string starting with 1 with the next bit as 0. So this is rejected state we can say, because the string has started with 1, which is not accepted by our question. So this kind of condition is marked by Q1 state. So Q1 state. Okay, so here also Q1 with the input 0 goes to Q1. What is the output of Q1 is 0. Q1 with 1. Q1 means the previous bit is 1 with the next bit is 1, means 1, 1, which is the string starting with 1, which is not accepted, rejected. Rejected is marked with Q1. Q1 ka output will be 0. Okay, so this is how we had completed the table. Now jump to Moore machine, where we had to design the state function and the machine function. Okay, so state function we have to copy from the milling machine. So this table we have to copy here. Before copying, what we have to mark the output symbol. These are the input symbol. We have to mark the output symbol. What is the output of QS? QS is the state which is not accepting any input also. It's not producing any output also. So no output. Okay, now you copy QS on 0 goes to Q0. QS on 1 goes to Q1. Now what is the reachable state is Q0, and we will consider Q0. Before copying anything from the milling machine, mark the output of Q0. What is the output of Q0 here? Output of Q0 is 1. It is 1. Now copy the things from the milling machine. So it will be Q0 and Q1. What is the remaining reachable one? Reachable state is Q1. Q1. Before copying anything from the milling machine, mark the output of Q1. Q1 का output is no, that is 0, 0. So now copy Q1 and Q1. Now the time to draw the state transition diagram. So we'll start with QS. Okay, QS on 0 goes to Q0. So on 0 goes to Q0. What is the output? Output is 1. QS on 1 goes to Q1. On 1 goes to Q1. Now what is the output is 0. Now Q0. Q0 on 0 goes to Q0. On 0 goes to Q0. What is the output is 1. Q0 on 1 goes to Q0. Q0 on 1 goes to Q0. What is the output is 1. Now Q1. Q1 on 0 goes to Q1. What is the output is 0. Q1 on 1 goes to Q1. What is the output is 0. So this is how we had completed designing of milling machine. Now we have to draw the state transition function diagram of Moore machine. We'll start with QS. Now here we have to be very careful because this is a Moore machine. We have to write output also within the stage. So slash, what is the output of QS? Here is nothing. Now draw the state of remaining state, that is Q0. What is the output is /1. Now next one, Q1. What is the output is 0. Okay. Now QS on 0, where it is going to Q0. QS on 1, where it is going to Q1. Now Q0 on 0, where it is going to Q0. Q0 on 1 Q0 on 1 goes to Q0. Okay, because this is a string starting with 0, so 0 with 0 will be going to 0. 0 with next bit as 1 is also going to Q0. Okay, now Q1 on 1, on 0 also it is going to Q0. Q1, because string has started with 1 ending with 0. Like Q1 with next bit as 1, so 1 and 1. So as the string has started with 1, so it is where it is going, it is going to the rejected state, so which is Q1 state, so it is going to Q1 state. So this is how we had completed designing of Moore and milling machine for the set of strings starting with 0 for the binary number system.